So welcome back to my channel. I don't know how well this is gonna work because this is the first time of me doing anything kind of like this, I guess, since I basically just wear like t-shirts and stuff. But we're all in quarantine anyway, and it's basically spring cleaning, so I thought we could go and do it together, I guess, and go through basically my t-shirts because I don't think I'm going to get rid of anything that's hanging up. But yeah. But it's pretty decently organized. All my t-shirts are over here. So I'm basically just going to, I think everything that I want I'll like put on my bed, and everything I don't want I'll just put on like a separate side of my bed. So Sword Art Online shirt, that's yes. And then I do have this t-shirt that I've had since high school. It's just black with like a little like pocket thing. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't really wear it at all anymore. I just recently got this shirt, I guess within the past year, that just says welcome to the shit show. I do like that one, so I'm gonna keep that. And then I just got this one. It's a Breaking Benjamin shirt when I went to their concert like a month ago, 2 months ago, whatever. So I'm gonna keep that one. I remember this one's like my yin and yang cat shirt. It's kind of hard to see like the other one, but I do like that one. I got it at a cat cafe. I just got this one at Walmart. It's called Back in the Day, and I do wear that one a lot. So most of the shirts on like this top shelf I'll keep because I do wear them more often, but the second shelf and like all these other ones, not as much. So those I can get rid of more. But this is my Backstreet Boys shirt when I went to their concert in August of last year. And then a Shinedown shirt, which I'm going to keep. And then this one is a Dance Gavin Dance shirt, which I'm also going to keep. And then I have my Ghost Town shirt. I'm going to put this one in the maybe pile because I used to listen to them a lot in high school, and I don't anymore. And then my Chemical Romance shirt. I am going to keep that one. This one is another Shinedown shirt. I usually get a shirt when I go to a concert, and so that's where half of these are from. Oh, look, another Backstreet Boys from when I went to their concert in Vegas. This one was in 2017, so 3 years ago. And then I do have this one. It's just like little piggies eating, and one's eating bacon, the other one's like, use a fork, because that's not right. But I think I might actually end up getting rid of that one. I don't wear it anymore. Oh, and then my Attack on Titan shirt, I'm keeping that. So, I've gotten rid of 2 and 1 maybe, but this is the one that is less likely to wear. This one's my Godsmack shirt. I'm going to keep that one because I just went to the concert a little while ago again. And then this one was Famous Last Words. I also went to their concert. Most of these are concert shirts. That one's going to go in the maybe pile, and then I'll decide on that one later. This one's my Pierce the Veil shirt. I think I'm going to actually get rid of this one. I haven't worn it since probably 2 years ago. Probably when I graduated my undergrad in college. And then I also have an Avenged Sevenfold shirt. I'll probably get rid of that one too. And then this one, I do like this band a lot still. It's Bring Me the Horizon. But I just don't like the design of the shirt, so I'm going to get rid of that one. And then I have this Pac-Man shirt that I've had for a little while. I think I'm going to put that in the maybe for now. And then I also have a Sleeping with Sirens shirt. I do like them still, but I think I want to get a different kind of shirt for them, I guess. I don't really like this design anymore, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then another one. I've had these since like high school, maybe. Maybe on the edge of middle school, and this one was Why Are You All Up in My Grill? And it's a little like sausage. I'm probably going to get rid of that one too. I'm not going to use it anymore. And this one's Panic at the Disco. I used to like them, and then they kind of changed their style a lot, and so I don't anymore. He still has a good voice, and I can appreciate it, but it's too much pop, I guess. I'm not that much of a pop person. And then these 2 I used to wear when I worked at Starbucks, and they're just kind of like backup shirts, so I'm going to keep these because they're kind of good like cleaning or anything like that kind of shirts, just in case. Okay, and now we're going to start from the bottom up. I do have this longer sleeve, like, I don't know, I guess this kind of shirt. I'm probably going to get rid of it because I don't wear it anymore. And then I do have a cardigan that says Slytherin, which is the house I'm in, so I'm going to keep that one. And then half of these are literally just like yoga pants, and so I'm not going to get rid of any of my, like, these black kind of yoga pants because they have a nice thicker, I guess, waistband, and so I'm going to keep all of those because they're very comfortable. Okay, these are brand new, other yoga pants. Half of these yoga pants I'm not going to get rid of because I wear them all the time, and so the pants aspect I like to keep because I have thicker thighs, so like right in the middle they'll start ripping where your thighs rub together, and so I go through leggings, yoga pants, that kind of thing pretty fast, so I like to have backups because they do wear down pretty easily. Okay, next is kind of like my workout stuff, so I'm probably not going to get rid of too much. Like, I have my CrossFit shirt from when I used to be able to go do CrossFit. Now, one, it's just too expensive, and two, everything's closed, so there's no point in doing that. I have workout specific pants, and then for the summers I have two pants that I go in between from. They're kind of like capris, so I'm going to keep both of these. These ones are actually almost like ripped up in the thighs, so this one will probably not last too long after the summer, but I keep these two. And then I have 3 shirts and one more pair of longer leggings, so 2 long leggings and 2 short and 3 shirts, so I think I'm just going to keep all these because I do rotate through them. These are like tank tops and stuff, so they're easier to go through in the summers, not when here it's cold. Okay, next up, I'm just going to try to hold all of them in my hands because it's kind of harder to keep bending down. These are like my backup sweatpants. I have 2 pairs of sweatpants, and I'm wearing one now. I have another one that kind of looks like this but more comfortable, and if both of those are dirty I wear these, so I'll keep those for a little while longer. I have a pair of black like stretchy pants. They basically look like jeans, but they're basically leggings, so. And then I also have a pair in like a navy blue, and I'm going to keep those too. And then I'll probably get rid of these. I guess maybe, the middle's actually, no. Yeah, they're kind of broken. So I'm going to get rid of these. They're also just another pair of stretchy pants, but they just don't, they're not thick enough that it kind of shows your fat more. And then these are my one like dress-up pair of black leggings, and I'm going to keep those. So, as you can tell, I have a lot of black leggings, but these are nice. They can tuck into boots a lot easier than those other ones I kept. Okay, let's go back to the maybe shirts. So I have my Pac-Man one. I think I'm going to get rid of it. And then I also have my famous last words. I think I'll keep this one just a little bit longer because I have worn that off and on this past year. And then my Ghost Town shirt, honestly, it's just kind of more memories than anything. I have worn it, honestly, the past year, so I think I'll just keep that one too. That was the first band like I ever met in person and got their signatures and pictures and everything, so the t-shirts kind of has more sentimental meaning than anything else, and I do wear it every once in a while, so it's not like it's a complete waste. And then, actually, over here to the side, I have 2 pairs of black pants and like a navy pair, and so I'm going to keep all of those because they're just like actual jeans with buttons. They're not stretchy pants, so I wear those. I have not gone through this since I moved in here, so let's do that. This is kind of like my fancy Chinese robe. I'm going to keep that because I do really like it. And then I'm going to get rid of this yellow like nightgown shirt. It's like see-through and it's weird and I don't like it. And then, okay, I'm not sure where it cut out, but I just will kind of catch up. I got this yellow shirt I'm getting rid of, and these are both like pajama pants. I'm also going to get rid of these. These are fleece. These are just too tight. I'm going to get rid of both of those. And I kept this airy shirt and like a pair of shorts. But anyway, what I was saying is these 2 pairs of Vans I'm giving to my cousin, and then I'm keeping 3 pairs of Vans, 2 pairs of Toms, a pair of sandals, and a bunch of Nikes, and One of the pair of Nikes I'm going to have my friend try on and see if she wants them because they don't fit me anymore. Well, they didn't fit me right in the first place, and she has a little bit of bigger foot, so she's going to try them on. Jewelry will be a whole nother video if you guys want to see more like this. But let's just go through my shirts one by one. I do wear a lot of these at the front. They're kind of like my more interviewee, dressy shirts to be an adult, and so I'm going to keep pretty much all these. This one's a little dirty, but it's okay. And I just bought a lot of these recently because I was trying to cut down on the t-shirts and try to be more of an adult. And so that's what half of these shirts are, is more adult-like. I think I'll keep that one still. I do like that one a lot. But I think I'm going to get rid of this red one. I wore this when I worked at JCPenney just as a shirt, but I just haven't worn it since I worked at JCPenney 2 years ago. No, longer, almost 4 years ago. But I did actually buy this one because you have to wear red all the time there. And this one has like little like frillies on the end, and I do like that one a lot, so I'm going to keep that one. And then I got some tank tops that I wear in the summer that I do like a lot, and kind of shorter dressy shirts, more tank tops. I do actually wear all these. I actually went through some and got rid of them, so I'm going to keep those. And then like a moon shirt. And then this stuff I'm going to have to wait on until I ever move out of here. These are basically all my jackets. I literally wear all these all the time, so I'm not going to get rid of any because I do honestly wear all of them. I just kind of rotate through them. I think the only one I'm going to get rid of is this one right here that I was thinking about the other night. It's my old Pierce the Veil kind of hoodie, and I just don't wear that anymore. It was like a $50 hoodie, and it's just been sitting here. I wear the My Chemical Romance one, but I don't wear the Pierce the Veil one anymore, so I'm going to keep this one. And you know, I keep saying I'm going to wear these flannels, but I'm never going to wear these flannels, so I haven't worn these since maybe freshman or sophomore year of college, and now it's 4 years later. I did actually get rid of a bunch. My friend took some, and I did really like these at one point. I used to wear them so much, but I don't wear them anymore, so I'm going to get rid of all my flannels. And the rest back here are dresses, and honestly I've gotten half of these when I went on my vacation to Salt Lake, and yeah, I'm not going to get rid of any of them. There's one that I could get rid of, but I like it too much, so. And this stuff is kind of new. I got it online. This one's kind of like a kimono kind of shirt. I thought it would be nice for the summer when it actually gets warm. All you need to wear is like a tank top underneath, and it's kind of like a wrap shirt. So I'm going to keep that actually up here. I don't really want to fold it. And then this one is kind of like a lighter cardigan scarf thing. It fell. There we go. It's kind of like a lighter cardigan scarf-ish material. I thought it would be good for the summer. See how I like it with like a tank top or something like that, so I kept it. I got them both online for like $1, and so I thought I might as well try it. I think shipping was like $2, so I'm gonna keep these. Okay, and I was kind of going through my pajama drawer, and I'm actually gonna get rid of these too. They're not comfortable to wear to sleep. This is like a half shirt, and then like just a pair of pants I threw in there once they were clean out of the dryer. Yeah, I'm not gonna wear these at all, so I'm gonna get rid of that too, actually. Alright, so basically that is all the clothes I'm getting rid of, and my beautiful little munchkin. Yes, you're so pretty. Do you like mommy's clothes? This shirt, I'm not. This one is what I was wearing earlier. But yeah, I'm getting rid of this whole pile of clothes, which I'm actually kind of surprised I'm getting rid of this much. So, yeah. My team. yeah, so thanks for watching. If you did actually make it through this, I think it's definitely interesting. I probably won't do this for a long time because I don't buy a lot of clothes, but yeah, it's kind of nice to just get rid of everything that I used to wear in college and middle school and high school and things I've just been keeping because it had memories. The only thing I really kept were some band t-shirts that I do still wear that I do still like. But besides that, I got rid of a lot of stuff that I don't need or wear anymore. So yeah, it's kind of exciting to not have to pack any of that when I do move. So, but thanks for watching. If you want to see me go through like my whole jewelry collection, I can do that too, even though I barely wear jewelry, so I probably get rid of a lot. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.